for us as traders.
Yeah.
For the rest that are going to work, they're feeling a little shit about that.
Yeah. But when they were feeling happy that it was Thursday and coming to the end of the week, and we were buying gold on Thursday, they were they were pretty happy at that point. Even the worst of my mistakes. Alright, so looking at gold, we got an interesting scenario. I'm just looking. Oh, my bad. 1 second. Okay. We have a very interesting scenario. We're coming into like this major zone right here, 1910 to 1900. This is super important. So when we look at the weekly, we closed right over there. You see that? It's not like we broke below. We closed right over there. Even this previous weekly candle, kind of like what we spoke about. We've closed right at support, which makes things a little complex, but it's alright. Let's see this. At least we know those still work. Of course, we have a very strong resistance up here, and 80 to around 85, which is pretty decent. Alright, there you go. So we have another zone right there. So we formed a minor resistance up here, which we will keep in mind as we continue looking. But look at this daily candles right over here. This is a perfectly strong support right over here. Oh, and this resistance is really good, what we just marked out. This is a daily support. Slash resistance. $1940 key psychological level is what we're gonna hold. Waiting for that break. Beautiful. So there you go. Look at this 1900 level. I don't think I want to sell before this, guys, in all honesty. We've just reached a super strong support on gold. So I don't think I'll be selling just yet. We've relatively kind of partially crossed this trend line, you can say. Let's just see. The important aspect is this trend line was broken, so we may potentially get a retest. And the higher time frame trends are still intact as of now, but I think this weekly close will be huge. Yeah, I think this weekly close will be pretty massive, because if we do close back below this supply zone, it's gonna be massive for us to continue down. Alright, anyway, marking up the obvious. Looking at some pretty decent trends on gold. So just looking to the left and trying to see any good demand zones which we've previously bought off, right? So what we could potentially do is first wait for at least a single high to be taken out, a prominent high, so that would be over here on gold, and then we could wait for this demand zone to be filled, right? So we could probably look at 1922. Above 1920, of course. So those are the more obvious trades that we can see. And I'm not gonna touch gold shorts, in all honesty. I'm not gonna take gold shorts even if they show themselves. Yeah, I'm not gonna take gold shorts even if they show themselves. Cause just look at gold, guys. We're right at the support. Right at the support. If you're taking sells, you'd want to take sells to the support, right? Not at the support. So that's good. We just gotta wait now.
Morning, Princess.
Hey, Mr. TG. It's a beautiful Monday morning.
Yes, sir. Anyone took gold buys?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
I don't know. Eddie, you were selling gold?
Yeah, but it took me out. It was only like a really small position.
That's a, like, now you look at it, right? When I did the top-down analysis, you kind of see where
Yep.
the market is placed right now. So yeah, we're at support. So like I said, the buys on gold are much more viable than the sells on gold, because I don't see sells, I think, but I do see buys.
Agreed.
Let's see GU. GU, we've taken out this monthly low. Let's just go through the time frames. Yeah, look at how this level just plays out so perfectly. Let's see what happens. Okay, so GU has tapped into the 26-250 area multiple times now on the weekly also. So if we look at it, this is the weekly support that we formed, right? Around 26.7. So yeah, look at this. Very nicely done. Let's see. This is the trend line that we're gonna follow. You can see we haven't yet broken out. We're gonna wait for a decent breakout before we look for sells, and we won't look for sells until we get below 250 over here. So looking for buys, we're right at the demand, right? We are respecting the levels within this zone over here. So right over here we have We have the 750 level, which we spoke about on Friday, which I called on, which we're now tapping into. Let's see what happens. And in general, we have a daily resistance up here, which we need to break out of. But this is more minor resistance as compared to this is more of a minor resistance as compared to the support that we have over there. Beautiful. You guys see what I mean on Geo?
You more.
A lot of these pairs are looking more buy biased than sell biased. So let's see. So we got this 4-hour high to take out on GU, higher time frame high, in order to start moving in said direction. Give me a second. Yeah, so I have a feeling about this GU. I think it's gonna buy up. I have a feeling that GU is most potentially gonna buy up. Yeah, there you go. That's the more refined zone that I can give you. Yeah. You see this? This looks pretty good if you ask me. So let's see. The only problem would be I think the 4-hour has no bottom wick, right? On GU, yeah. No bottom wick on the 4-hour. Let's see in 30 minutes if this 2-hour candle can close. Yeah, I think G is gonna buy up from here. TG, what do you think?
I don't know about Geo, but EU, I'm looking to sell, but not anytime soon.
Let's look at some GJ. GJ is taking out all the highs. The weekly has closed massive bullish. Okay, so looking at GJ, the way we've closed is pretty good. But looking at the daily levels, oops, 1 second. Bring that back. No. it's a little tricky to trade GJ right now. Are we gonna reject and come down? Would be a good question. If so, we need to find a decent supply zone, right? So if you look at it, where we started this move now, let's just use that trend line instead. This is where we started this move, and that's kind of where we are at the moment. So we know that our supply is mainly from this zone right over here, which we need to get below. And yes, it's on the higher time frame markings, guys. We're waiting for the higher time frame marking. That is mostly our supply zone right over there. The other advantage is we need to take out this low, right? So once we take out that low, we can go back for the retest and then continue down. This is also a very good supply zone. So yeah, I think that's the safer trade which I'm gonna wait for. Sells below 183.250. I feel taking out the previous 4-hourly lows makes better sense for the sells. We're gonna wait for it to move out of this range. Okay, but what about if we are to follow the trend, right? Would be also a good question. And look for GJ buys. Let's look at the weekly time frame. Yeah, there could be potential GJ buys. We tapped into the 500 level twice. Interesting. Let's go. So we're gonna wait for the potentials to play out. I think the more obvious ones are kind of like GU. I like the GU trade that's incoming. I feel like that would make more sense. And potentially some gold maybe. But yeah, Eddie, what are you looking for?
I'm also looking at GU.
Yeah.
I think the GJ should go retest the 184 level,
Yeah.
and EJ has also made a pullback. Also expecting it to go back up to 159. So, seeing as they are correlated, they should have the more or less the same type of movement. But I would like the DJ just to come down a little bit more to tap into the 183 and a half level, and then maybe go up from there.
Yeah.
Well, it has already tapped into it, but if it just can
Yeah.
make another low, I think it could confirm the highs a bit more.
Yeah, maybe we could also look for like a break-in structure or so, you know?
Yeah.
Let's see. But GJ is looking very good. That's what I like about it. GJ is looking good.
It's just
so-
in a small little range of 60 pips at the moment, so that makes it a bit harder to get into a really good position.
Yeah. Yes, sir. 1 second. Awesome. See, good, perfect. Alrighty. Hmm. Let's see, GJ looks pretty decent. Though GU has given us a beautiful breakout of trend right now. Yeah. GU has given us a pretty decent breakout of trend. We just need to see if that's gonna work for us or not. Interesting. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let it come to us. Mr. Andrew, what are you looking at? What are we looking at? I see. Alrighty. Eddie, are you in anything yet?
No, not yet.
Not yet. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for GJ and Gio to probably play out. I think I'm gonna use this to kind of get a buy above 750. Yeah. I think that's what I'm gonna look at, Eddie. And if we take out the lows, I'll look for sells below 183,750. Yeah, I think below 250 is this decent sells. Alrighty. Andrew, Tarek, you guys there?
Yeah, boy.
What are we looking at?
I'm only waiting for gold bars.
Gold buys, let's see. Yeah, gold buys look definitely like the adequate play. Did you watch the episodes from the link?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, that's good. Learn something useful?
Yeah, but it's not as descriptive as I thought it would be.
As in?
I'm not sure how to explain it. I mean, the whole quarter thing is good. I see how that works.
Hmm.
So I'll just sort of watch it and paper trade it
Hmm.
until I can grasp the concept.
Yeah. Last week we had some pretty decent trades on that.
Yeah, if you go back, you'll see quite often.
Yeah. Let's see. There's the news this week, right? Or is it?
Plenty.
Yeah, this week. Which is retail sales. Cool.
If I
Retail
can see
sales.
minutes.
Guys, tomorrow I will not be trading. It's Independence Day. So it's a massive holiday for us. Then there's unemployment claims on Friday. Fun. It's always fun when you get to trade news on a Friday, right?
Yeah. Especially unemployment.
Because then come the weekend we're all unemployed. It works perfectly for a redeposit Monday.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, we got GU. I've been trying out the C trader, right, Andrew? The features it has is really good. I think I would like the charting ability to be a little bit more like trading view. You get what I mean? Like the way we're able
Yeah.
to move the charts on trading view. Like trading view is just so free. You know, you can just move the sidebar when you wanna elongate it or shorten it.
Yeah, but there's no actual platform out there quite like TradingView.
Really, that's so true. Like,
That's why I wish my broker was with. Otherwise, I'd just trade directly off TradingView. It's so much easier.
oh, trust me. After using paper trade or whatever, I really
Yeah.
wish I had a. Let's actually check it,
But the brokers that are on there are not great.
Yeah. Okay, we have Bing X, Trade Station, Buyers. No, these are all inter stock market brokers. Nah. Mm. FXCM.
No.
Apparently FXCM Andrew has doing
Yeah, but FXCM are trash.
they have like huge gaps every single day.
Yeah, and their spreads are terrible.
Then there's Go Under. I don't think many people like trading with Oanda.
Yeah, it's supposed to be the most popular, but I haven't heard good things.
Oh, there's 8 Cap and Tick Mill.
But Tickmill is quite good, I think. I've been with them also for many years.
You've been with Tickmill?
Yeah, no, they're quite good.
Yeah. I think I also have an account with Tick Mill.
Tickmill's British, right?
It's 2014, it's 21. It doesn't say over here at least.
Has 8cap sorted out their servers?
I don't know yet, we need to check. But I think from the brokerages, I think for us 8 cap, right?
I'm nervous with 8cap. I got burnt badly with them.
Yeah, that could be an issue.
So, how did you get in with them? If I may ask.
I couldn't close my trades.
Oh, yeah, but I've had that with IC markets as well.
No, I've never had it with RC. I had it twice. I even filmed it. I even videoed it, and I couldn't close the trades.
With IC markets, I had a position that was nicely in the profits, and basically when I wanted to close it, it did not allow me, and only when it started going into the negative was I could close the position.
Was it during news time? Because I've had that during news.
No, it wasn't even, but it was for hours. It was for a long time. So I was
Okay.
negative with it. Yeah.
When the broker is trying to teach you patience.
No, well then, they messed up a perfectly good what's it, a trade for me. So
Yeah, I've never had a problem with RC markets except during news. I have, but I mean I think every single broker has problems during news.
Yeah, the thing is, during news, guys, what you got to understand is there's a latency that increases. The latency increases because of the sudden influx of orders, right? And stop losses and everything that will be getting taken out. Plus, they're trying to give you the best price possible. So there's like an infusion of overload of data, so the latency increases. So that's when you would find it difficult to close trades, open trades, you get slipped 100 pips, all that stuff happens.
All that good stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Great stuff. Yes, a Tickmill serum is pretty good. And Tickmill, yeah, Andrew, you're correct. It's UK based.
yeah, but I think they are regulated in the Seychelles.
Most are because of the leverage.
Yeah.
Otherwise, you like 1 to 50 leverage or whatever.
You'll very rarely find brokerage that is not regulated in one of those Caribbean islands almost. Very rarely.
Yeah, even RC Markets is also Seychelles. They've got two separates.
There you go. Okay, so I just logged into my 8cap. You can have a TradingView account, but you won't get raw spreads. With TradingView, it's only standard spreads. So you can't get a raw account on TradingView, Andrew.
Then I won't do it.
Yeah, so wait, let me just see what
I don't think you can hedge either.
One second, let me just check if the spreads on the standard. Wait, let's see what's the difference between standard and raw and income. Raw and standard. Okay. The benefit of a standard account is trading without commission. Okay, so you don't pay commission, but the spreads will be around 1 pip.
That's not bad.
Yeah. So instead of no, so it'll start from 1 pip, Andrew. So you get it. So GU also, which is normally
okay,
0, will be 1 pip. But you don't pay commission.
They'll make it up in the spread.
Yeah. And the maximum you can use on 8cap is 100 lots.
Oh, then they're not for me.
Oh, man, that's fantastic. But I like 8cap's like dashboard. It's so clean. The dashboard is super clean. I think other than I think IC markets and FB markets are the only ones that are regulated in Australia.
Yeah, but RC markets, you can have two different types of account. The one from Australia or to Seychelles. But if you have the one from Australia, you don't get the leverage 1 to 500 or 1 to
Oh,
100.
really? I
You can
didn't know
only,
that. Dang.
yeah,
But is 1 to 50 not really enough?
no,
No, it's not enough.
Not.
not the way I trade.
And not the way if you want to flip an account.
Yeah.
Like, if you're doing what you did last week, you need a little bit more than 1 to 50.
Yeah. Otherwise, you would have only, out of the 12 trades you placed, you would have only been able to do 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I still would have had my account most likely.
Well,
Oh, because it didn't allow you to? Yeah, perhaps. In hindsight, it always looks different. Andrew?
Huh?
Okay, I think this is my internet taking it. 1 second. Can you hear me?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, my internet is fine. I don't know why your voice is like lagging. Nope, not working, Andrew.
Is it fixed now?
Yep, perfect. I see markets. Yeah, I see markets and FU markets been in the game forever, right?
Yeah, I'd say the top price. I wouldn't change my broker. I mean, I've been with RC Market for 10 years. I've never had a day's problem, ever.
Hmm.
I'm talking in terms of, withdrawing money or stuff like that.
Yeah.
I mean, it's instant. I just wish there was a broker that you could link your account to a card, like a debit card or whatever.
That would be fantastic. Really.
Gold's looking a bit heavy here. Interesting.
GU is also not playing the ball with our buying plans.
Yeah, no, it's rejected right off the trend line. But let's wait. There's a whole day ahead.
Whole week.
Yeah, whole week. Yeah, Tickmill also prompts me, because of the country I'm in, to open a account in the with the Seychelles, Tickmill Limited in the Seychelles. Well, let's see. If we get a nice bullish engulfing candle above 850 on Geo, I think I will buy it. That's like a 10 pip risk. Very nice.
EU is also looking like it wants to go up.
Pardon?
The EU is also looking like it wants to go up.
Yeah, look at you right now.
Yep. Some nice injection.
Yep. Let's just wait for this candle close. Alright, let's wait for this candle closure above 850 and then we can look at taking some buys up. Let's see how we go. GJ also tapped into that 750 level, but we're not able to stay above there. So that could be signs also, right? That can be a sign also. Let's go. Very interesting. But if we can trade on TradingView, that would be fantastic. I was just looking at all the options in Tickmill and 8cap. I think both of them are pretty decent. Let's just wait and see which one we seem to be more comfortable with. Geo looks like a pretty decent buy, guys. But I'm waiting for GJ to kind of close above here. Andrew, what are you gonna take?
haven't decided. The thing is that I'm a bit bearish on euro, so I don't know if I want to buy it.
Yeah.
It looks good. I'm also that 4 hour no bottom wick is a problem.
Could be, yeah.
Man, euro's pumping. What's going on?
Is it Euro USD?
Mm.
Let's see. I think with Euro USD, I'm kind of looking at something similar. Because there is this zone that we've come into right here at the bottom, which is a support zone, right? So if you look at it on the daily, you really don't wanna sell it here. Yeah. Look at the daily support and on Euro. Yeah, I think that's brilliant to look at potential moves above. Once euro dollar closes above this, we are respecting this demand zone. That's what I'm expecting on GU to continue up. So I guess it's just a matter of time. Who is buying GJ as I did, Nathan? Interesting, good stuff. The problem is I don't like the way GJ is using 750 as a resistance. Where are you gonna long gold from, Andrew?
I'm actually waiting for a close above 1914, 1915.
Eddie? Yeah? Andrew?
15 on the 15 minute.
Nineteen, 14, 15. Okay, I see you. Yeah, taking out those wicks right to the left.
Yeah, and then a small little trend line that's there too.
Yep. Looks good. I'm pretty sure Eddie will be looking at something similar.
Yeah, also above 1914. But I would like to see a break and a retest.
Anything else?
But
Break
is
and retest.
that too much to ask? But I also think 1916 is also a bit of a danger level.
Yeah. The safest on gold obviously is way above like 19, 24, 25.
It's just these early adopter buys that you can get.
Man, Euro is really pushing. What the hell?
In 7 minutes, I'm looking to buy Geo. GJ is going.
Going home.
Yeah. GJ is gonna go to 184. Let's see. I will buy this in 6.5 minutes. Let's see. If it closes the same way, of course. Well, I guess today we're looking at USD and GBP. Sorry, GBP pairs more bullish. And I think Euro is also kind of going bullish, right?
Yeah, but I'm just looking and I think US dollar weakness because I mean Aussie pumping, New Zealand's pumping.
AU's pumping.
Well, in terms of AU it's pumping. I think it's only 10 pips, but I mean that's a lot.
That's a banger right there, Oni. USD CHF is just stuck here.
What's this thing doing?
That is interesting. Give me a second. I think Eurocat is gonna go back for the retest and come back to 500. So I'm just purely looking at the daily time frame. Forming a lower high, right? Oh, that'll be the retest also. Oh guys, Eurocat is looking really nice, not gonna lie. Bring that up there. Ooh, just look at that, dude. That's gonna be like a perfect trade. That should be exciting. Mr. Andrew. Eddie, are you still looking at UJ?
No, I'm not trading it really.
Good. That's the better thing to be doing right now.
Why is that, Eddie? UJ's mute.
Because I'm only sticking to 3 Ks, that's why.
There you go. That's our boy, Eddie. Alright, GJ is looking pretty good. GU was also looking pretty good. Let's see. We got a minute left. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy GU. 25 pip stop. Hold it and let it run.
Ah,
I love the way you talk to them. Come on, GU. How did the 2 hour close? Did the 2 hour close? Yeah, the 2 hour close. Half an hour. Man, London, the London Open has been literally non-existent for a hot minute, right?
I don't know what's going on. It's absolutely trash.
I don't remember the last time we've had a 100 pip London session. Really? Yeah, there was this. Sessions. There you go. So now you can see which session we're in. London. Sydney, Tokyo.
Singapore, Frankfurt, London.
Pardon?
Singapore, Frankfurt, and London. On C-Trade it tells you at the bottom.
Oh, really? Why can't I see that?
Bottom left-hand side.
Oh, yeah, trading sessions.
Yeah.
Wow. So right now we're in the Singapore, Frankfurt and London trading session. Brilliant. The 30 minute just closed? Wonderful. And it's shot up without me being able to do anything. You see, those little things matter a lot actually.
What they do.
No, like in CJ that tells you all those things. That's really nice. has closed. I'm gonna wait for GJ to tap into 750 and show me that it doesn't want to go below.
Yeah, do you think it's coming back to 750 though?
GJ?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it just might. To make that little bottom wick. Come on, Gio, let's make the bottom. I think Gio's gonna go, guys. Did you hold your UJ trade over the weekend, Eddie?
I did, yes.
That sparked you out this morning.
Yep.
Was it?
And
Was
then
it?
came back.
Was it negative or positive? Swap.
I'm not sure. I didn't look. No idea. Can quickly have a look.
I think it's a negative swap. Yeah, it was a negative swap.
Yes, I also think so.
That could have also added to the lesser margin for the morning.
Maybe.
someone's selling gold. Very interesting.
What?
Yep.
They must have not seen the big supply zone. But I mean, it could also just be ranging today as well.
Exactly.
It's kind of odd place to sell.
Yeah. I personally just wouldn't sell.
Yeah. Oh dang, they're getting hurt at the moment. They're hurting.
It hurt.
They're hurting. Oh dang, they are hurting bad now. The only thing that can save them is the 30 hasn't got a bottom wick.
Yeah, but gold looks a little
Oh,
too
right now
strong.
they tried. Right now they're giving up trading. They are 2 pips away.
Let's see, GU, no GU. Come on. Why are you not appetizing?
Do you?
Yeah. I wanted to come back and create a 30-minute bottom wick in order for me to look at it comfortably.
But it's also not trending up. It's like meandering
Yeah.
at what's it? I think there's a bit of a the resistance where it's at right now.
Yeah. But I mean, it broke that trend line, retested that trend line perfectly
Yeah.
to 15.
Yeah, that
So
was
that's
such a good
able to
reason.
it should be able to push it up to a 1.274 at least.
Dang, gold. Hold on. Are they still selling gold? Or did they shut the stream down?
Let's see.
Oh no.
No, now you got people asking what is the random volume on gold?
What?
The ones who were in sales, right? Are wondering what is this random volume on gold?
It's just like out of the blue pop.
Yeah, just randomly, no. It's not at an important support, you know.
Yeah, it's just out of nowhere.
It's not in a range.
And it's
Just
just moved 30 pips.
yeah, It's just the market makers trying to get them out, that's it.
But it's at a good spot to come back a bit as well.
Yeah.
I don't think this is a breakout yet.
Yeah. I don't think this is a random volume yet.
No.
If this 1 hour can close above 1915, it won't be bad.
Yeah.
Close above and then come back all the way down. Fakey fake out.
Veggie. Did anyone have steak this weekend?
Yes, sir.
You did? Lucky guy. I didn't have steak this weekend. I haven't had steak in a hot minute actually. It must be like 2 months maybe?
Dang.
Yeah. This year I haven't had much steak. Like last year. Last year was just, my gosh, trying to remove, make the cows go extinct. But this year, this year it's been, bring back the moo cows.
Oh, man.
The morning's a little slow. Maybe we're gonna get better stuff in New York. But this morning is very slow.
What's it? EJ made a ejection on the supply zone of the 15 minutes, and it looks like it's made a higher high as well on the 15 minutes, so that should be good for the GJ as well.
Yeah. Only one way to find out.
Flag.
Let's see. Okay, now all we gotta do is wait for like GJ to give us some form of rejection from the 750 level. If it's going up. Looks like we're breaking 750 to go down.
You got a gym this morning?
No, this morning was a little bit of a late morning for me.
Oh, yeah, of course, after Sunday.
Yeah. But this afternoon I'll head to the gym. Set some alerts and head to the gym.
And then trade from your phone?
No.
I was
Yes.
going to say I tried that once.
Yeah.
Didn't work well.
No, I had to go from the gym to the bank after that. Uh, Nothing clear, guys. I don't think I'm gonna be touching anything yet.
The G is making the bottom weak right now.
It is, it is. It definitely looks like it also. Yeah, let's see in 13 minutes when this hourly candle closes. Nice and strong. Gold looks like it's trying to push up.
Yeah, I think I'll wait for a 4-hour close on gold.
Yeah.
And it's a strong 1-hour candle on gold at the moment. Holy smoke.
Yeah. Gold is showing us it's very strong, whereas GU and GJ are kind of rejecting. So gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait, gotta wait.
Yeah, this 183,500 on GJ is quite a good support.
Yeah, I'm waiting for it to come and tap it or break it. Because I definitely think I'm a little bearish on JPY pairs, just a little bearish because we're so high up, right?
Yeah.
We're just...
They're looking a bit weak today.
Yeah. So it's just a matter of time.
They're going to be coming into decent zones. I mean, EJ 158, GJ 183 level, 183.25, 183. Big zones. Let's see. Oh, gold pulling back a bit. Those guys have stopped sweating.
Yeah, absolutely no reason to stop sweating.
Let them sweat, that's all we can say.
Oh, rejected.
Let them sweat.
Interesting.
Sorry.
Gold.
Oh, a nice little rejection of the zone.
Yes, sir.
Got myself into some GU buys.
GU.
Gee, yo. Yo.
GU's been in this range forever and a day. That's the only problem.
Forever and ever.
But it is at the bottom of the range.
Yeah.
If it, yeah, my plan is for it to retest to 1.574. And I'll hopefully make off with 50 pips.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, Tariq, are you there? He just sits in silence.
Silence is golden, apparently.
Taking trades and making money.
All by oneself.
When he's quiet, you know he's making money.
That's this way.
No guys, sorry I had a call. But yes, I am making money.
Told you.
In what though?
I took EU and closed already, and I took again gold
Very nice.
and
Sells
closed,
or buys?
yeah. No buys. I
Very
took
nice.
2 gold buys and 1 EU buys.
Very nice. That's what I was saying in the morning, right? You look more like buys.
Yeah.
So you're not looking for a sell anymore.
Huh?
So you're not looking for a sell anymore?
I will be looking somewhere around for EU around maybe 9,780, 9,800. I want to see how it reacts from that area.
Yes, sir.
So either this one or I have also 9,900 to 10,000. That's one. So let's see
Yeah.
which one it will reach, and from there I'll be looking to sell.
Sounds good. GU's about to fly.
If it meets my target, I'll be up 3% for the day.
Let's go. How much you up on that account, Eddie?
Down by 8%.
Alright, so
So
then
if
you'll
I
be
close-
up 2%.
Everything will be down. My equity is currently down by less than 0.5%.
Alright, fair enough. GJ should tap 184. This should continue to 184 in all honesty.
Yeah. But it looks like it wants to break out of it though.
Yeah.
Because it's not showing the signs of that it wants to
Slow down.
reject it. Because it's testing it repeatedly. So
Yes, sir. Bum, 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 bum. DJ is struggling here. As long as we stay above 750, we should continue on up. I think once we tap 184, that's an important level to then decide what GJ wants to do next.
I think I'm staying away from GJ. I want to see the daily.
There you go.
No, man. Off the day. You're a dick.
Ba-bum-bum. GJ to 184. GU to it's already at 1.27. So what's the plan for this week, lads?
Make money.
same
Make
with
money
what's that thing we do
every week. Yeah.
Except last week where we were buggering around
Yeah.
Yeah.
like crowds.
Pips and steaks is what we need this week. Pips and steak. Yeah. I would like some pips and a steak. But last week I think it was just that one day on gold we were bugging around. Where we were counting down margin and everything.
Yeah. I think I'm done with that for quite a while.
Eddie was in an absolute element on Thursday.
And Friday.
Yeah.
But just a pity I was wrong on both occasions.
Don't say it like that.
The daily on a GU is like looking really good for bars at the moment.
Then just look at the daily on GJ.
Nice.
Noisy. Looking very noisy. I will decide about GJ when we touch 184, because if GJ makes a lower high at 184, ooh, that's dangerous. Because we're in this like kind of consolidation, right? So
Yeah, I don't think I'm touching the
JPY
GJ
is-
within the range that it's in at the
yeah,
moment.
it's just a little scary,
Mm.
but it would be very nice. Noisy, very noisy. Let's see. Who's in what? Who is in what? Trading is a beautiful example of life and how things can go against you instantly. With
Yep, and especially if you start making stupid decisions as well.
no, that's a different one, Eddie. That's
Okay.
trading teaching us how we can go through bad situations and still continue to remain in messed up decisions. So, in your lifetime, which pair have you made the most amount of money from? Let's see this.
I wouldn't even know how to answer that because I don't know.
Andrew?
For sure, gold.
Interesting.
Which pair has taken the most from me? Gold.
For sure, go. But yeah, I think gold has given up me too a lot, but for me, GJ has given me the most amount of money in trading.
Cheers, Derek. I think I'm just gonna go hit the gym now.
Yeah.
No much happening here.
Give me a second.
Happening time.
Beautiful, right? Yeah. Yeah, maybe about 2.7 would be better. Then look at a retest. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait for Geo to take out this high and then wait for a retest.
Yeah.
GJ looks pretty good on the hourly. Let's see. Alrighty, boys. I think I'm also gonna go.
You're not going to gym. I'm just gonna say.
You never
I'll see you
know.
guys in New York.
See you at New York, boy.
Just
Everybody, bye.